What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble HO Atlas coupler box if you're changing original coupler with KD, for example here. So this is already complete, and if you drop it nothing happened. But if I just assemble it, even trying to put that coupler back, I may be in trouble. So let's go over tools, and we have some visitors. My favorite micro crystal clear to secure the top. You will see it later. We have, you asking me what I'm using, that's what I'm using guys. Like small tip. It's so easy to like put specific amount of glue, and that type of tweezers, you need that type because if you want to change or add new spring here, that's what you need to use. So let's move these guys. It's like a small accident. The plate fell off. All right, here we go. Spring first, okay, then coupler. Here we go. Okay, it's all good. Now time for micro crystal clear. I have like few bottles, some of them like fresh, some of them a little bit older, so it's not really running. So that's the older bottle. That's like that. On this side a little bit, and I'm always cleaning tip right away. That screwdriver was done with it, and this is it. Here we go, job done. In about 15 minutes the glue start curing and you can put those couplers back. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.